The crocodile is getting back in the water on the right, far right on the white bird.
Oh, it's a big one.
It's getting back to water.